Lovely to have you girls. Happy Women's Day to everybody. For the last 2 days, we've been running wellness sessions at IWD. We want to keep everybody together. I think some of you have attended those sessions. We've done sessions on emotional eating, on your health, on finding your inner hero. But thought, aaj to Women's Day, hai, so we got to do something even special and more fun. So I'm very excited to present our amazing IWD team who's pulled together a wonderful next hour to reconnect, to recharge you ladies. We are going full on Bollywood today with Garima, and then we are going full on games and fun and Antakshri with our games host Surbi. But these are the amazing women who've showed up and who've said yes, because we just literally reached out to us that we want to do something very nice and light for Women's Day so we all can celebrate. I know all of us are celebrating from homes, but we are the women who care and who have the strength and the resilience to celebrate every moment. So I know times are tough, but let's celebrate Women's Day together. Over to you, Mukta. Take it over.
Fun. How are you guys? So the time is challenging. We all are going through this challenging time, but as you know, we women are the keeper of strength and hope. So we have to carry on with that and with to keep on motivating the family as well. We are taking them together. Like we have to keep a brave face. बच्चों को भी संभालना है, घर भी देखना है. So वो तो हम भी can't escape. So today, just forget everything and we are gonna start with this session. Can we have the introduction, please? I think if we do it alphabetically, because there are many people who are there. So just say a line about yourself, introduce yourself. So can we start that? Let's start with the host first, like the Garima and Surbi. I'm Mukta. I'm one of the moderator of IWD, and we have been through, the difficult times before as well, that COVID time and all that, and that's how IWD, happened, and we are together now. So let's start the introduction with Garima.
Hello, IWD. So I am Garima. I teach Bollywood dance. Today we are here to celebrate the special moment, the special thing. I should say thank you to Rima and the whole team. कि इस time पे भी हम सब कोई साथ में है. Everyone is together and everyone is here to support each other mentally also and physically also. Everything. Online ho या offline ho, we are always there. Thank you, Rima. Thank you, Jasleen. Thank you so much.
Surbi.
Hi, hello everyone. I'm Surbi. I'm the moderator and game host and also freelance party decorator. Thank you everyone for joining. I know it's tough time for everyone, but we are together, we stand together. Thank you, Rima, for bringing us together. And let's have some Bollywood and Takshri and let's have some fun.
Yes. Now, please keep on introducing yourself. That's what I said. If we can go alphabetically, it will be easy because I think there are many people. Anyone wants to say some things with the name starting with A, if we can go by that.
Also, we limit it to one line each so that we are not doing introductions for 1 hour.
Yeah, I'm Aradhna, and I moved to Dubai a year ago after 25 years in Hong Kong. Thank you so much for making me part of this group.
I am Aarti. I moved to Dubai 2 years back. Thank you.
Nice. Who's next?
I'm
Anyone?
Akanksha. I'm Akanksha, and I've been here more than 25 years. And I'm working with Gems Modern and looking forward to enjoying with you all.
Sure.
Have a lovely day.
To you too. Who's next? Guys, start. Who?
Okay, let's move on to the next alphabet. Can we do B? I think A is done. Anyone with B? Just unmute yourselves. Anyone with C? D? Daljit, I can see you.
Daljit. Yeah. Hi, Rima. Hi. So, my name is Daljit, and Dubai is going to be my future home. So, fingers crossed, things will work out for me.
You are with the right community then. We welcome you here.
Thank you so much, Reema. Thank you.
Thank you. Who else is here with D? Daljinder. Yay!
Hi, Rima. I'm stuck in Delhi, but I'm feeling now very in a safe space. Thank you for organizing all these Connect and Recharge. So looking forward to having some fun with you all.
Wonderful. Anyone else with D? Okay, let's move on. E, F, G. We should have a G. Garima ko chhod ke aur bhi honge na? H. Okay, I can see Honey.
Hello everyone, my name is Hina Patel. I have been working here in UAE since 2004 in retail financial sector, but now from past 3 years I'm a mom, full-time mom. I believe that women should always support and uplift each other during this challenging time. So together we can go faster. And happy Women's Day to all, and let's have some fun today.
Absolutely. Geeta, G, we missed you. You there?
Hi. Hi, this is Geeta Sharma. My name is Moksha actually, but Geeta is my before marriage name. So my most of the handlers are with Geeta Sharma. As a local guide, I'm working on Google Maps. I'm a IWD member, actually a housewife. Nice to see you
Wonderful.
all.
Very nice to see you. Okay, H, I, J.
Gina, hi girls. This is Gina here. I've been in Dubai for past 3 years and I work as a PRO as of now.
Very nice. JKL.
Hi, teacher here, everyone. Happy Women's Day. I have worked here for 10 years and now full-time mom from last 2.5 years. Happy to connect with you all. I was introduced by Ms. Rasmi Joshi.
You missed a
Wonderful.
Rima and Kala.
Yes. K.
Yeah, hi everyone. Happy Women's Day. Today is the day we celebrate ourselves. I don't know why we need to have one single day to celebrate ourselves. We celebrate ourselves almost every single day. So we don't need that validation that we are the best, but still it's nice to get a pat on the back. Been with IWD since the beginning. So yeah, wish you all another, again, happy Women's Day. Thank you.
Hi,
Thank
good
you,
morning.
Kala.
My name is Purnima. I totally agree with Kala. I find being a woman, I find strength and pride every day in being a woman. So let's own our voice and own our story. Have a great day.
Thank you.
Deepa. Hi, this is Poonam with you. I am from Rashi Gemstones. I am into certified natural gemstones and customized jewelry. Happy weekend to everyone. Happy Women's Day to everyone. Looking forward for lovely morning today. And one more thing, thanks Rima for doing this. You're doing a wonderful job at this critical situation. Anybody wants to do one-to-one with me? I'm open for tomorrow. Thank you.
Okay.
Wonderful. Thank you, Poonam.
I
Deepa.
missed out. Yeah, I'm sorry. My name is Deepa Sachit. It's my 23rd year here in UAE. I came here with my 2 kids, 2.5 and a 2-month-old. They did their schooling and college. Both of them are working. And I've been into corporate life for about 27 years now, resting for the last 2.5 years at home. It's wonderful being part of the largest women's group out here. Keep empowering everybody, keep uplifting everybody.
For organizing this.
And the very best to all of you. Just remain calm and be safe. You, all of us will be safe, and this too shall pass. Okay?
Sure.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, Deepa. All
Hi,
right,
good
let's move on.
Hi, good morning. This is Meenu Kapoor here. Can you hear me?
Yes.
Hi, my name is Meenu. And first, I would like to wish everyone happy Women's Day. And as everybody said, some are staying here for 10 years, 20 years, whatever years. I'm in this beautiful country since 42 years.
Oh, wow.
So, yes. So, not to worry anything. strongly believe in this UAE government. Everybody is safe. This is my home. This is my first home. Wishing everyone all the best. Keep doing good work. Wish you all the best. Enjoy your weekend also.
Thank you, Meenu. Who's next? N. Anyone with N? Anyone with any other alphabet before that? MN. O. P. Anyone? R. N. Nidhi. I can see Nidhi. I can see Mahima. Please introduce yourself.
Yes. Hello, everyone. I'm Dr. Madhurima here. Yeah, happy to join you all here. And Rima, and yes, everybody doing a great job in this difficult time here to be connected. And that is what will really matter in these times. So, yes, stay connected and just keep calm. And yes, don't neglect your health. That's what I would like to say. Yes, thank you. Thank you all.
Nidhi, can you please introduce yourself?
Hello, everyone. I'm Nidhi Agarwal. First of all, wish you a very happy Women's Day. And thank you so much, Rima, for organizing this. I'm in Dubai. It's been 15 years.
Nice.
And I'm staying in the gardens.
Who is there?
Thank you.
Introduce themselves. Please come forward.
Yes, I'm here. I'm Ritu.
Hi.
Hi. Actually, yesterday I have joined your session, that breathing session. That was really wonderful. And happy Women's Day to all of you. I was thinking a lot to join this session so many times, but I'm a teacher, so busy and so engaged in my work. So today I got a chance, and yesterday I joined that session. It was really a wonderful job that she's doing to meet all the women together, and they are sharing their experiences with each other. That's really great. And actually, that is the time then you don't put yourself little down, listen music, do little dance, do yoga, and you can change a lot of things when you are not getting time to do that things. So always use that type of time to grow yourself and to uplift yourself, because that is the time when you're getting yourself an extra time that you can use in a very good way. So thank you, all of you, and nice to meet all of you.
Thank you. Anyone else? So
Hi, I
if
can start with S. Yeah.
Hi.
I'm Shweta. So I'm new here, not even completed a year in Dubai. IWD is one of the first few groups which I joined, and it is very helpful for me knowing from getting which product to buy where and what kind restaurants and all these updates I get. So I'm very thankful for all the members and Rima for starting this community. So I met a few people and. Now I feel it's good, I can continue here. Thank you.
Thank you.
Hello.
Hi everyone, Kanika here.
Hi, I'm Shivani this side.
Hi,
Recently,
Shivani.
I'm staying in Al Nahda, Sharjah, and I'm in UAE last 15 years. And by profession, I'm IT engineer. Before my daughter, I was working in Dubai Properties Group, but right now I'm just focusing on my child. And as a volunteer, if I can do something, I'm always ready. And thank you, Rima ma'am. Thank you very much, and happy Women's Day to all of you.
To you too. Now, Kanika.
Yeah, hi everyone. I'm Kanika, angel therapist and a spiritual coach by profession. I was supposed to do the meditation session yesterday in the Recreate one. My voice is slightly back today. It was very bad yesterday, so I had to ask them to postpone or reschedule one. So hopefully we'll be able to reschedule it soon. And hopefully you will be able to get some good meditation and good calmness through that meditation. And I really love this group that supports women and everything. And I'm looking forward to more such events and things coming back to normalcy in UAE soon. I'm right now in Bangalore. I was already traveling on 23rd. I traveled to Bangalore and got stuck here. But really hoping to get back to UAE and hoping to see UAE back again in its full normalcy and full everything. Yeah. So thank you.
Dear Tajinder, please can you put yourself on mute?
Yeah, I
Then
was just about to say that. That's why I raised the hand. I think Tajinder is Tajinder has to mute.
sounds are coming. Yeah. You can introduce yourself and then mute, Tajinder.
Right. Happy Women's Day to all the beautiful women here. It's so good to be here. And I'm here in Dubai from past 13 years now. And I always feel Dubai is home for me. And I don't feel to leave it any day. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you. Just keep it short and just please keep coming forward so that we can start the session soon. Is anyone left? Or can we start the session then?
Hi. Shipra, I think Shipra is left as well. Yeah, Shruti, go ahead.
Hi. Hi, good morning. It's my, first of all, happy International Women's Day to all. It's my first time with IWD. I always see your activities around in social media, but never got a chance to get connected. So I'm Shruti. I'm a dietitian by profession, and I have been here for the past 16 years. And I was working with American Hospital for the past 15 years. I said goodbye last year, and now with teleconsultations going on with patients. But nice to meet all of you wonderful ladies here, and great to connect with you all, and stay safe.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Who else is left?
Hello, good morning. Can I take some small time?
Yeah.
Yeah, my name is Megha. I'm as a professional pastry chef. And I know I'm staying since 4 years, but I never come forward and talk to everybody. But I keep eye on because this is really helpful, and very Rima is doing wonderful job. And thank you very much. Happy Women's Day to everybody. Today I really feel like I should come forward and just introduce myself. So happy Women's Day.
Thank you, Megha. Who
We have
else?
Deepa remaining now. Deepa, she just joined.
Good morning. Do I have to introduce myself or how is it?
Yes,
Just
Deepa, you
join.
can introduce yourself quickly.
Okay. Hi, I'm Dr. Deepa. Qualification-wise, a dentist, but now I moved on in my second journey as a life coach, more so for parents, teenagers. I am also into something called as brain mapping test, which is fingerprint analysis, to help you understand the personality, the learning styles, the strengths, the hobbies, and the career options you can take. Thank you. My brand is Deep Parenting by Dr. Deepa. Thank you.
Thank you. Jasleen, what do you
All
say?
right. I think we are good. Let's move on. Before we move on to our next section, which I'm very excited about, can we have everybody on the camera? I want to take a group picture. Team IWD, can you take a group picture? Everybody's looking fab. Everybody, please put on your cameras. Give me a big thumbs up. Give me your best smile. We are keeping the spirit of Women's Day alive, even if it's online. We are celebrating with full spirit. So Team IWD, can you take some nice pictures which we can post? Wonderful. Let me know, girls, when it's done. We're all smiling.
Yep, we're done.
Great. Thank you. Over to our fantastic host and dost, who keeps us running and jiving with her energy. We are very excited to present Garima to you. Garima, take it over.
Hello. Okay, so as Rima said, picture के बाद वापस से वो नहीं करना है. You guys need to switch on your cameras. Come on. We need to start the cameras now. So, Happy Women's Day to everyone here, to all the beautiful ladies. So today we are celebrating small celebration ही सही, but लेकिन हम कुछ कर रहे हैं साथ में इकट्ठे. That's a very good thing. So we are celebrating our moods, our emotion, our strength, our beauty, everything together. So I just thought that I know we have to do a dance session. Whether we dance perfectly or not, that doesn't matter today. So today's session is just to enjoy, just to keep you motivating, keep you stress-free from this all the surrounding. Small clipping of Pretty Woman song we will be doing today. And yeah, let's start. Girls, I won't be able to start before I see all the cameras on. Please start your cameras. कहाँ है भाई?
Do we have to stand up or is it going to be?
First, I will just tell the. I will break down the steps. I will tap the steps slowly. I'll break it down. हम बैठ के करेंगे अभी. And later on, we have to stand and we'll do it. Okay, all together. And when we do it all together, Justine is going to take a small video for us so that we will be having a small type of a reel. Okay. Okay. So we start with the song Pretty Woman, and we are taking the clipping here. वो तो पल में खुश है, पल में खफा. We are taking that song because our emotions are not one. We celebrate all the emotions. So just considering that part, we have picked that part. So we just do it. Just come on. Okay. So we go here. वो तो पल Okay, take your time, girls. All cool.
All good. Yes.
All good. All good. We start here. वो तो पल में खुश है. Okay. We just bang our legs like this. पल में खुश है. पल में खफा. Sad. Okay. Yeah. Again. वो तो पल में खुश है. पल में खफा. Yeah, khafa, when we do, we are little sad. Khushi, we will smile. Again, one more time. वो तो पल में खुश है, पल में खफा. Okay, next one. From here, we will take our left hand going outside. 1, 2. Yes, again. 1, 2, and we will show our watch. Ghadi. Okay, so this is बदले वो रंग हर घड़ी. Correct. Okay, so let's revise it back again. वो तो पल में खुश है, पल में खफा. बदले वो रंग हर घड़ी. Correct. One more time. वो तो पल में खुश है, पल में खफा. बदले वो रंग हर घड़ी. Correct. Next. पर जो भी देखूं. Now, from your right hand, we have to look towards something like, you know, we are finding something. We are finding someone. Like that expression we have to go. पर जो भी देखूं. Now, your face. You have to dedicate your face. रूप उसका लगती है प्यारी बड़ी. Yes. Again. पर जो भी देखूं रूप उसका बड़ी. Again, let's revise the whole sequence again till here. वो तो I'll go very slowly, okay? वो तो पल में खुश है, पल में खफा. Open hands. बदले वो रंग हर घड़ी. पर जो भी देखे रूप उसका लगती है प्यारी बड़ी. Okay, now उससे जितना देखूं. Okay, we will just think something like you are thinking. उससे जितना देखूं, उतना सोचूं. क्या उसे मैं कह दूं? Yes, we are looking facing towards the camera, but our body will tilt little bit. Okay, our body will tilt little bit, and we will look towards the camera again. क्या उसे मैं कह दूं? Pretty woman, to yourself. Pretty woman. Tuck, 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 tuck. Just doing your fingers like and shoulders moving in this. Yes. Okay, one more go. I will just stand and also show you. Okay, so this is वो तो पल में खुश है पल में खफा बदले वो रंग हर घड़ी पर जो भी देखूं रूप उसका लगती है प्यारी बड़ी उसे जितना देखूं उतना सोचूं क्या उसे मैं कह दूं प्रीटी वुमन प्रीटी वुमन na 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 तुम भी कहो ना pretty woman. Yes, one more go. Again, the same sequence without music. Again, we will do 2 times and then we will do with the music. Girls, I hope everybody has got the steps. अगर किसी को कोई भी problem हो रही है, please tell me. All okay? Everyone is getting the steps? Cool. Okay, let's start. वो तो पल में खुश है पल में खफा बदले वो रंग हर घड़ी पर जो भी देखूं रूप उसका लगती है प्यारी बड़ी उसे जितना देखूं उतना सोचूं क्या उसे मैं कह दूं प्रीटी वुमन ना 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 प्रीटी वुमन तुम भी कहो ना प्रीटी वुमन okay one more time I'll do it little near. Okay, let's start. वो तो पल में खुश है पल में खफा बदले वो रंग हर घड़ी पर जो भी देखूं रूप उसका लगती है प्यारी बड़ी उसे जितना देखूं उतना सोचूं क्या उसे मैं कह दूं Pretty woman. तुम भी कहो ना pretty woman. And end. Okay, should we do with the music? Okay. Can we have the music, please? Shall I start? Yes.
क्या कहूँ वो तो पल में खुश है पल में खफा बदले वो रंग हर घड़ी पर जो भी देखूं रूप उसका लगती है प्यारी बड़ी उसे जितना देखूं उतना सोचूं क्या उसे मैं कह दूं प्रीटी वुमन देखो देखो ना प्रीटी वुमन देखते हो ना प्रीटी वुमन तुमने कहो ना प्रीटी वुमन
Okay. Were you guys able to do with the music? I know thoda sa fast hai, little fast, but I guess it was coming up.
The music. Yeah.
Sorry, मुझे सुना नहीं.
Can we do it one more?
Yeah, sure. I was just asking that, are we able to do the steps? Are we able to finish it up together with the steps? All cool? Correct. I can see the thumbs up. Okay. We'll have one more time with the music. I start? Yes. I'm just sitting here closely so that you all can see the steps आराम से अच्छे से. I'm not going far, that's why.
क्या कहूँ ओ वो तो पल में खुश है पल में खफा बदले वो रंग हर घड़ी पर जो भी देखूं रूप उसका लगती है प्यारी बड़ी उसे जितना देखूं उतना सोचूं क्या उसे मैं कह दूं प्रिटी वुमन देखो देखो ना प्रिटी वुमन देखते हो ना प्रिटी वुमन तुम भी कहो ना प्रिटी वुमन.
Okay. Was it all good, everyone? Can we all please stand up and do this time? Okay. Let's stand and do this time so that without music, I want, Jasleen, can you please record it when we all will be standing together? Preeti, आप अभी एक बार music नहीं चलाओ because music से ना screen आ रहा है. So we are not able to see everyone together.
Yeah, I think it's better
sitting
कि
is nicer, because with sitting, I think people are getting, the steps very nicely. So I think we should do the sitting only.
Yeah, that's fine. Not a problem.
Yeah, then everybody can get the steps, and I think people are comfortable already with the camera. You can see them nicely. So it will be
Perfect.
nice if we do it sitting.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah. Thanks.
Preeti, we will not do the music abhi ek baar because we should have the screen together so that everybody can be seen. Okay. 1 second. Okay. Start
Yep, I
करें?
think looks good. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. 1, 2, 3, start. वो तो पल में खुश है पल में खफा बदले वो रंग हर घड़ी पर जो भी देखूं रूप उसका लगती है प्यारी बड़ी उसे जितना देखूं उतना सोचूं क्या उसे मैं कह दूं प्रिटी वुमन प्रिटी वुमन देखो देखो ना प्रिटी वुमन देखो देखो ना प्रिटी वुमन तुम भी कहो ना प्रिटी वुमन. Okay, one more. Let's do one more
1
time.
second now.
Yeah.
I'll just rotate like everyone with their cameras.
आप बताना when we have to start.
Yep. Yeah, we can start.
Ready? Should we start? Chalo. Bring your smiles, bring your expressions. Lovely. Okay. 1, 2, 3 and start. वो तो पल में खुश है पल में खफा बदले वो रंग हर घड़ी पर जो भी देखूं रूप उसका लगती है प्यारी बड़ी उसे जितना देखूं उतना सोचूं क्या उसे मैं कह दूं प्रिटी वुमन. Hands up. Start. प्रिटी वुमन देखो देखो ना प्रिटी वुमन देखो देखो ना प्रिटी वुमन तुम भी कहो ना प्रिटी वुमन. Nice. Jasleen, was it good?
Perfect.
Awesome. Lovely. Girls, did you all enjoy it?
Yes, yes.
Awesome.
Yes.
This was just to have this thing free. I think I will not take much time, and so we can start with the lovely games I'm looking forward for.
Okay, hello everyone. Thank you, Garima, for a wonderful session. It was like a stress buster, fun. Thank you so much. So, guys, we move on to our second part. I hope सबकी energies बहुत high हैं, and then हमारा music therapy, Bollywood, सबका favorite. Okay, so quickly, nothing much of a stress. मैं आपको कुछ clues दूंगी, and you find out the right answer and sing the song. Cool? Are we ready? And I want everyone to sing, okay? ऐसा नहीं कि कोई एक गा रहा है, so we leave out कि नहीं अब तो answer guess हो गया, so we won't sing. ठीक है? All ready? Done? Can I have a thumbs up? Okay, cool. Okay. So firstly, मैं आपको एक word दे रही हूँ, and you need to sing a song with that word. उस word से आप वो गाना गाएंगे. So here comes your first word. चांद.
चांद मेरा दिल चांदनी हो तुम क्या रहे हो तुम जाओ मेरी जान. Thank you. यही तुमको जाओ मेरी
Okay, lovely. Okay, the next one. Dil.
दिल प्यार प्यार मेरा अपना जानू दे प्यार प्यार मैं क्या जानू दे.
Can we start it again? 1, 2.
Okay. Let's start with
प्यार प्यार जानू रे दिल दिल प्यार प्यार मैं क्या जानू रे अपना जानू रे
So good, you know, all the 40 members are singing one song. सबके दिमाग में दिल से वही song आ रहा है. That's so good.
Okay. The next one. Chudi.
चूड़ी
मजा न देगी कंगन मजा न देगा तेरे बगैर साजन सावन मजा देगा चूड़ी मजा न देगी कंगन मजा न देगा.
Lovely, lovely.
Thank you.
Then we have Dosti.
ये दोस्ती हम नहीं तोड़ेंगे दम मगर तेरा साथ ना छोड़ेंगे.
हम नहीं छोड़ेंगे हम मगर तेरा
Lovely. I think दोस्ती बोलो तो सबके माइंड में सबसे फर्स्ट सॉन्ग यही आता है. Okay. The last one. प्यार.
प्यार हुआ
कहता है दिल रास्ता मुझे मालूम नहीं है कहाँ मंजिल प्यार
Okay, lovely, lovely. Okay, so the next set of clues. So here इसमें मैंने जो भी आपके आंसर्स हैं, जो सॉन्ग्स हैं, उनको इंग्लिश में मैं बोलूंगी. उसके लिरिक्स को मैंने इंग्लिश में कन्वर्ट करा हुआ है. So identify and chorus में will sing it along.
हेलो मैम.
Okay.
मुझे लीव करना है क्योंकि मेरा फिजियोथेरेपी का अपॉइंटमेंट है. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर ऑल. हैप्पी
Thank you so much for joining. Bye. Okay.
Bye, ma'am.
The next one. The sun has dimmed, the moon has started burning, the sky
क्या ये मेरा पहला पहला प्यार है सजना क्या ये मेरा पहला प्यार है
भाई
Okay,
सुरभि
that was a correct one.
बैन कर दो, कुछ कुछ होता है.
Okay. Okay, then we move on to if the moon wants to recommend me, this is what he would say to you.
सिफारिश जो करता हमारी देता वो सबको बता वो हया के गिरा के करनी है हमको चांद सिफारिश जो करता हमारी देता वो सबको बता.
Lovely. That was the correct one.
Very quickly guessed, Hania.
Then we have my heart burns, my soul burns. From the eyes, smoke rises. All night long.
नैनो तले धुआं चले धुआं चले.
हमें पूरी तैयारी चाहिए इसके लिए.
Lovely, lovely. मुझे लगा था difficult होगा, but I think
Sing song
pretty
again.
good. Okay.
Start 1, 2, 3.
जिया जले चांद जले नैनो तले धुआं चले रात भर धुआं चले जानू ना जानू ना जानू ना सखी दिया जले धुआं जले नैनो तले धुआं जले.
Okay, the next one. There is love and it has been accepted, but still why
प्यार हुआ इस इकरार है प्यार से गुजरता है कहता है दिल रास्ता मुश्किल है कहाँ मंजिल कहता है दिल रास्ता प्यार प्यार से भी रिश्तों कहता है.
नहीं. Okay, the last one. Let's see. Sweetheart, seeing you, I learned that love is crazy.
प्यार होता है सनम अब यहाँ जाए हम तेरी बाहों में मर जाए हम बाहों में मर जाए हम तेरी बाहों में मर जाए हम
नेक्स्ट टाइम मुझे ज्यादा होमवर्क करना पड़ेगा. वी हैव टू क्या बात है. इनफैक्ट जब मैं ये सॉन्ग डाल रही थी आई वाज लाइक पता नहीं इंग्लिश लिरिक्स इसके समझ आएंगे नहीं, बट हैट्स ऑफ. ओके,
Everyone is
द नेक्स्ट सेट ऑफ
pro.
क्लूज.
The woman.
सब बॉलीवुड फैन. ओके, द नेक्स्ट वन. ओके, सो ये क्लूज का भी आंसर नैरोड डाउन टू वन पर्टिकुलर सॉन्ग. एक ही सॉन्ग उसका आंसर है, बट मैं इस सॉन्ग के कुछ हिंट्स आपको दूंगी. मे बी एक्टर एक्ट्रेस, कोई एक सिचुएशन कि आप उस सॉन्ग को गेस कर सको. ओके, शैल वी स्टार्ट? द फर्स्ट वन. ऋतिक रोशन, Anisha Patel, both are on the show. Hrithik Roshan, Anisha Patel. The movie is right. That's right.
कश्मीर
Right. So वो एक ही सॉन्ग होगा उस मूवी का जो मैं पॉइंट आउट कर रही हूँ. ओके, द नेक्स्ट वन. सलमान खान, माधुरी दीक्षित, रेणुका शाने, बेबी शावर.
दीदी
Lovely.
Thank you so much, dear. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Love you all.
Thank you.
Thank
Okay. The next we have Four Friends. Trekking in Manali, Holi song. Nice. Sure. Okay. Next one. Shahrukh, Kajol, Hrithik, Kareena. Karwa Chauth scene.
कभी कुछ
Okay, the last one. Hrithik Roshan, Preeti Zinta, Kashmir, traditional song. Amazing. Done. So we are done with our clues. If you want, I have some clues जिसमें हम movies guess कर सकते हैं. Do you want me to put some more clues?
Yes,
Okay, आपको सिर्फ मूवी गेस करनी है, मैं उसके कुछ हिंट्स आपको देती हूँ. Okay, London, breakup, bride goes to honeymoon alone.
Queen.
Lovely.
Well done,
Do you want to sing the song?
London.
चलो सभी एक साथ. Okay, let's do it. 1, 2, 3, start.
Oh, goodie, what to do? Oh, Monday.
तो नचे पैर
Lovely. Okay. Okay. It's a famous dialogue. उससे आप मूवी पहचानी. Then we'll sing a song. तुसी जा रहे हो, तुसी ना जाओ.
कुछ कुछ होता है, कुछ कुछ होता है.
So which song?
लड़की बड़ी बन जाई
Okay. The next one. Parampara Pratishta Anushasana. चलो start. 1, 2, 3 start.
हमको हमी से
चुरा लो दिल में कहीं तुम बसा लो हमारे मिले हो न जाए तुम चुरा लो हमको हमी से चुरा लो दिल में कहीं तुम बसा लो
Okay, the last one. कौन है ये जिसने दोबारा मुड़ के मुझे नहीं देखा? So which song this time? Bolo Chudiya is done.
देखा तुमको
जब से देखा तुमको यारा तुमसे कोई अच्छा है ना तुमसे कोई प्यारा मेरे हो कह दो ना कह दो ना
Lovely.
Thank you so much, Surbi.
Thank you so much, guys, for joining. That's all for Antakshi session today.
So hope all of you felt little light-hearted actually after this, both the sessions, Garima session as well as Surbi session. So dance or singing ko combine karke, I think everybody has felt light. And I just want to say, I didn't introduce myself earlier. So I'm Kajal. I've been in the UAE for 43 years, born and raised in Dubai. This is home. We are all taken care of. Just stay positive. And as a woman, IWD and in International Women Day में एक चीज बहुत common है. Can anybody tell me what is it?
IWD.
Absolutely correct. So IWD makes you feel every day you are worth it. And you are gorgeous the way you are. So continue shining.